Amazon's vision for the future is officially taking flight. Over a decade in the making, Amazon's Prime Air program just hit a major milestone, and it's happening right here in Arizona. With FAA approval in hand, Amazon's newest drone, the MK30, is set to reshape last mile delivery forever. It all began in 2013 when Amazon's then CEO Jeff Bezos unveiled the idea of Prime Air. Back then, the notion of drones delivering packages within 30 minutes seemed futuristic, even far-fetched. Yet, Amazon's engineers weren't deterred. They dove in, working to overcome every hurdle that came their way. Those early prototypes were big, loud, and limited in range. But today, the MK30 is a completely different beast. This drone is smaller, faster, and impressively quiet, 50% quieter than its predecessors. It's equipped with next-generation tech to handle longer distances and even light rain, making it the most capable delivery drone Amazon has ever built, and Arizona will be the first to experience it. The FAA's recent approval allows the MK30 to operate beyond the visual line of sight in Tolleson near Phoenix. This means the drone can fly farther autonomously without requiring a human to watch over every move. For Amazon, this approval is huge. Beyond visual line of sight was once a regulatory barrier, making it nearly impossible for drones to cover meaningful distances. Now, with FAA approval, Amazon can serve a broader area and make drone delivery more practical. So, what does this mean for customers in Arizona? If you live within 5 miles of an Amazon same-day fulfillment site, you could be receiving packages via drone. And here's the kicker: deliveries will arrive in under an hour. We're talking essentials, household products, tech supplies, even beauty items. Phoenix's Mayor Kate Gallego sees Amazon's drone service as more than just a delivery innovation. She believes it's part of the city's drive to reduce emissions and make Phoenix a leader in zero-emission logistics. And she's not the only one excited about it. The Prime Air team didn't just tackle speed and durability, they worked hard to make the MK30 quieter, halving its noise output, which is especially important in densely populated neighborhoods. That quiet hum means fewer disruptions and a smoother integration into residential communities. With twice the range of previous models and a tolerance for light rain, the MK30's design addresses key practical concerns. The advanced safety features include onboard sensors to detect and avoid obstacles, crucial for safely navigating suburban environments. And Amazon isn't alone in the race. Alphabet's Wing, UPS, and Walmart have all made moves in the drone delivery space. Startups like Zipline and Matternet are pushing boundaries in specific areas like medical supplies. But Amazon's MK30 focuses on a broad retail market, offering same-day delivery at speeds and scales others have yet to reach. There's also a huge environmental angle here. The MK30 is fully electric, producing zero emissions and cutting down the need for fuel-based vehicles in local deliveries. This shift towards sustainable delivery could mean cleaner air and less traffic on our roads. So, as the MK30 takes to the skies, it's clear that Amazon is bringing us closer to a future where drones deliver goods with speed, efficiency, and minimal impact on our environment. With more cities likely to follow Arizona's lead, we're seeing the dawn of a new era in fast, sustainable delivery. If you're excited about where this technology could go next, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest tech innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.